Hey, it's Katie, and today is a super exciting day. As you can see, I have my Overwatch shirt on, and that is because the Overwatch League has invited me to the Blizzard Arena, and I'm gonna get a tour, and I'm so excited, and I don't know what to expect. There is a match going on today, which is super duper exciting. I'm not sure what I'm gonna get to do or see or experience. I just know that I'm really excited because you guys all know how big of an Overwatch fan I am. And so this is really awesome for me. Yay! Heroes never die. I am inside the Blizzard Arena and I'm so excited. This is like a dream. They have a shop and I get to watch Overwatch all day. This is amazing. So I totally just bought an Overwatch League shirt, which I have wanted, which I'm really excited about. And I'm about to go for my tour, and then I can watch more of these matches. I'm just like glued to the screen. I'm just like, I just want to watch. I just want to watch. I saw someone playing Moira, and I'm like, that's my girl. About to go for our tour. So excited. Backstage. Heading backstage currently at the Overwatch League. There's the stage. This is like the final match too. Alright, so I'm sitting in here watching the matches and I have to say this is so beyond exciting and like I am nerding out watching the best of the best play. It's insane. It's like a whole nother level of Overwatch and it's just so incredible to get to watch all of these amazing players play. It's insane.
They'll be eliminated, but it's just another fancy here for the Sun Spark picking up these kills. Obviously, we see the rest of the team contributing.
Remember the miracle push on new body. We start from the Hanzo Spark against the Atlanta Ring. 1 minute to finish the whole map. Might have the miracle defense here again.
That was so awesome. We got a whole tour behind the scenes. We got to see the control room where they're packaging everything. They actually broadcast this in 6 different languages, which was amazing. And we made it back just in time to watch the Shock win. And then they're going up against New York XL, which is going to be insane. This has just been so fun. I can't believe I'm standing here and got to have a backstage tour. So cool. All right, I have to say, that was so incredible. We got to watch the teams play. Shock won, which was amazing because they're San Francisco. I mean, since LA Valiant wasn't in it, but hey, still got to root for the California team. But that was so exciting to get to be here, get to watch, run into a bunch of my friends, and be here at the Blizzard Arena. Got a backstage tour, got to see the control room. So cool. Guys, thank you so much for watching. You guys know I'm a huge Overwatch fan, so if you are too, I play on Xbox, so drop your gamer tags down below and join, because we could use some new players joining our team on Overwatch on Xbox. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and to catch up on any of my other videos, you can click right on over here, and I'll see you guys soon.